A dealer is going to deliver this car to our home.
Never leave home. Never leave home.
The engine was removed from this 2002 Rialta because the engine came damaged, broken. Timing chain, guides and rails broke. So we are replacing the engine. The receipt is gonna show the owner of this one, VIN number 101, end up spending $17,000 with replaced engine, but this flipped over, totally destroyed on the turned over. So we're gonna take the engine out of this one that has 17,000 miles on it and put it in this 2002 Rialta. This engine coming out of this 2003 Rialta with 17,000 miles. Here you can see the $17,000 receipt. Average price for these units are around $41,000. The purpose of this video is to be as honest and transparent as possible and to avoid any disappointment or waste of time for each other. Whether you're a sight unseen customers where you're gonna get a 7-day warranty and free shipping, or where you're gonna fly here and pick it up in person. We just had new motor replaced because the vehicle had a damaged engine and damaged windshield. It has a clean title, clean Carfax. So they replaced the engine and the windshield, new AC, new battery. Pretty much they went through the whole car. Anything serious, it was done, it's fixed. Tires are recently replaced. They're pretty decent. It has a generator, but we never rely and test them because they're unreliable, rubbish generators. So we upgrade them. We put this silent generator where it provides you 110 volt while you're driving, and when you're plugged in the campsite or your house, it has power. The roof AC works. We install a backup camera, and this here is your storage area. Hitch. There's several blemishes on the paint, as you expect from a 22-year-old unit. The generator is here, it cranks and it starts, but unfortunately it's not very reliable. These generators on the Rialtas are very thin. They also added a protection plate, so when you go campsite you don't bottom out your plastic pipes, which is a very handy device. The interior is good. Decals have some fading on them. You can see the condition of the door panels, the upholstery, the floor mats, carpet. It has roof AC front, driver's side, and also AC for the back. I will show you. Has a upgraded wood flooring, our new refrigerator, and 2 twin beds in the back. This is a 2-person sleeper. That's your front AC. And also this is your overhead AC here for the rear passengers. So while you're driving, you get air from here, and you can also get air from there. It also has the rear heat for cold period when you're driving. You can get heat in the back. This seat turns, both seats in the front turns. Horn, signal. Wipers, spray, power mirror, power windows, I mean. This has the bigger engine, has like 190 horsepower compared to the 99 and 98. They had 30 horsepower less, different engine. This is a 24 valve engine. This is the owner's manual. You have the power inverter here, you can see. Outlet power 120 volts. That's your power of water. You can see it's working. You also have a storage under the bed, plenty space. You can put your stuff in there. This is your TV, DVD combination, 12 volt or cigarette lighter, or you can plug it in anywhere. This is your roof AC. Blowing here. This is a screen that goes on the awning outside. These are brand new cushions. You may want to replace the mattress covers. Hanging closets. F22 FT, 22 foot. That's your furnace heater. Average car has over 3,000 parts. We never claim that we replace everything. Only what's needed, necessary major components are replaced.
Our vehicles pass through a 50-point inspection. We make sure major mechanical components are checked and in good working order. If any major parts that need to be replaced or serviced, we have it done. Second step is the interior restoration. Full detail to a major blemish or damage repaired. Our primary sales are through sight unseen internet buyers customers. Once we are funded, we ship immediately. Customer satisfaction is our #1 priority.